Hello everyone, welcome to Bitsy's Bikinis, where we specialize in micro bikinis, but on this YouTube channel we teach you how to make them. Here we go again with my little slim thick mannequin, as well as my tape measure, and we're just going to get straight into the video. Bandeau tops have become very popular, so we're doing how to on a bandeau top. And as you can see on the side, little markings for the side seam. For you, if you're measuring yourself, you'll just basically start from measuring your side, and you'll measure from right side to left side, and whatever that mark is on you, write it down or keep it in mind. For us on slim thick, it is 17 inches. That is the length that I want our bandeau top to be. And the width of the bandeau top, I like to have under boob and cleavage at the top, so it's not going to be too thick. Of course, these are micro bikinis, so you should have already knew that. But the measurement that we are going to do is 3 inches. So let's head over to our pattern, and we're using pattern paper right now, and we'll need a curved ruler, a straight ruler, as well as a Sharpie. And we just need to make a straight line. There is no measuring at this point, just a guide. I want to place a line in the middle of it, just to mark the middle section. And then now we're actually measuring, so this is our 17 inches. I'll mark the 3 inches that we measured for the width of it, and make a straight line as well. And right now we're just copying all the measurements, so the middle mark and the 17 inches that we measured previously. And connect them. We're going to mark our middle mark for this line as well, which is 1.5 inches. And we're going to mark 3.5 inches in on all 4 sides. And we just connect. Now we're going to bring in our curved ruler. And if you need any of these items, I have everything that I use in this video listed below. If you do use any of those links, I do get a small commission, so I would really appreciate your support. And with this curved ruler, you're just curving the ends so that everything isn't so pointy. After you cut it out, it will look like this. Simple, simple, simple. If you do want to purchase this bikini, we do sew it for you, of course. You can check it out at bitsysbikinis.com, and we do have that link down below. If you are looking for a pattern, we have that link down below as well. This specific pattern, you do have to line it up the right way because there is a pattern, so you do want to get the most flowers that you can on your bandeau top. You can cut it out using a rotary cutter, or you can pin it and use scissors, whatever you have at the house or whatever you're most comfortable with. And this is what it looks like. Before we sew, you will start from the bottom mark and you'll just sew the bottom. This is my trusty industrial machine. It is an Atlas 2284D-7. You can get it as a Juki. I think it's a Juki 2284D. But of course, you can save a little bit of cash if you get the bootleg version of it. This setup, you can use it on a home sewing machine as well. So right now on the industrial machine, I have a fold over binder, but as you can see, you can do it on the home sewing machine also. I do have a video for how to set this up. You do not have to spend thousands of dollars on an industrial machine. Do whatever works for you. I used a home sewing machine for years. So yeah, if there's a will, there's a way. When you're running this stitch, it's a zigzag stitch, and you're really just pushing the fabric inside of the fold. As you're sewing, you'll guide it with the seam ripper, and you'll push it in with your left hand as you're sewing. After you snip everything, you'll start by running string. Then you'll connect the bandeau. And at the end, you'll continue to run string. And the string that you're running is basically just to tie it around you. And it's really that simple, guys. Whenever you're finished, it will look like this. Super neat. You can just knot the ends. That keeps the string secure. And this is what it looks like on the mannequin. And this is what it looks like on the model. Let me know how you like the video. Let me know if you like the bikini. Let me know if you purchased the bikini. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and we appreciate all of your support. Thank you.